In our last conversation, we talked about the divide between English speaking elites and those who struggle with English and how it still impacts opportunities today. But this divide isn't just in society, it's deeply rooted in the education system too.
That's right. The way our education system has been shaped is a direct result of colonial policies. During British rule, English was made the medium of instruction in many elite schools. And that's something that's continued even after independence.
Exactly. And while English medium schools can offer great opportunities, they also create big challenges, especially for students who come from non English backgrounds. Imagine stepping into a classroom where every subject is taught in a language that's not a mother tongue.
It's a huge adjustment. For many students, the first time they encounter English as the main language of instruction is when they enter these schools or universities. Suddenly, they are not just learning new subjects, they are also struggling to understand the language itself.
And that can be really tough on the self esteem when you're constantly trying to keep up. It's easy to feel like you're not smart enough or that you don't belong, even though the only difference is the language.
And it's not just about academics. This language barrier can spill over in social interactions too. In English medium schools, students who are fluent in English often form their own groups, which can make those who aren't as confident feel isolated.
That's so true. It's like there's an invisible divide even within the classroom. Some students might avoid speaking or participating in activities because they're worried about making mistakes while speaking English. It's not just about what they know, it's about how comfortable they feel expressing it.
And this divide doesn't just stop in school, it follows students into their professional lives too. When English is seen as the key to success, those who aren't as fluent might find themselves at a disadvantage, even if they are just as capable in every other way.
Yes, it's a challenge that can affect their confidence, their opportunities, and even how they're perceived by others. But it's important to remember that language is just part of education. The real goal should be to learn and grow, no matter what language you're using.
Absolutely. And for those who are looking to improve their English skills, especially to keep up in an English medium environment, PracticeEnglish.online offers a great way to get started. You can get 20 hours of practice each month with seasoned coaches for as low as rupees 2000 plus 18% GST. It's a space where you can build your confidence without feeling pressure.
That's a fantastic resource. So, whether you're navigating the challenges of an English medium education or just looking to improve your skills, remember that it's all about the progress, not perfection. And it's okay to take your time.
Exactly. Let's keep supporting each other on this journey, recognizing that everyone's path is different. What matters most is that we are all learning and growing together.